Meecham Marakta mi Hatpa Yaningde Haiduna Keirakta Wakat Meepham Phamkhre ngarang numidang wairam pung 5:15 rom tabada Kaksing Police Station gi manung channa leiba National Highway 137A gi Keirakta gi wabagai taba lambi gi Keirak Panchayat Ghar mapada sakhangdaba singna non local ani nongmaina kaptuna hatlamba gi thodok adubu Yaningda ba phongdoktuna ngasi Keirak yawabung kaithel sangda Wakat Meepham Phamkhre Keirak apunba maira paibi amadi Keirak United Development Association Kudana punna senduna Phamkhiba Wakat Meepham aduda Keirakta nongmai kaptuna mi Hatpa Yaningde Meecham Marakta mi Hatpa Yaningde kanana kari maram gidamak mi hatlambano haibadu athuba matamda sengdokpiyu haibana chingba warol sing iba placard kaya paikhi Wakat Meepham aduda saruk yakibi amana phongdorakpada hauzik Manipur gi tangdu leitadraba asuk yamna wanaraba matam asida mi hat mipun gi thabak chatharaktuna ngarang Keirakta Meecham Marakta mi ani hatlamba si Yaningde kanana kari maram gidamak mi hatlambano haibadu athuba matamda sengdokpiyu haikhi
Hauji Manipuri gi tangdu leitadraba matam wanaraba matam sida mi hat mipun gi thabak chatharaktuna ngarang akhoi gi Keirakta mi halamba se akhoi Yaningde Meecham Marakta mi hatba akhoi yajaningde adugi sumathakta masi kanana kari gidamakta halibano haibase athuba matamda sengdokpiro haibase akhoi adugi damakta akhoi dharna phangjabani.
Looking for a perfect school to save your child's future? Welcome to Princeton International School, Khatri Awang Lekai, Imphal East, Manipur, where education meets excellence. Admission open for 2025 sessions from pre-nursery to class 9. Why choose Princeton International School? 21st century educational excellence affiliated with BOSEM and COSEM, set on an expansive and serene 5-acre campus in the heart of Manipur, a safe and secure learning environment, round-the-clock medical assistance for your peace of mind, modern, neat and clean boarding facilities, premium boarding available for boys and girls from class 1 to 12. Save your child's future with us. Contact us today for more details and admission. Contact us for more details and admission. Contact us today for more details and admission.